Every evening when the sun goes down and every night when I go to bed, I go through the same ritual with this lamp. I get down on my knees, reach up underneath, and turn the switch on and off because the switch is on the cord. Well, you know what? I'm ready for a new ritual. I want a wall switch. The solution for me is a wall switch that's a transmitter and a plug-in receptacle that's a receiver. Now these communicate with each other not through a wire, but using wireless technology. To mount the switch, I drill a couple of holes, insert 2 plastic anchors, attach the switch with a couple of screws, snap in the battery, and screw on the cover. Elapsed time, about 3 minutes. Next, I plug the lamp cord into the receiver and plug it into the receptacle. That's it. Well, how about that? All the convenience of a switch-operated outlet without the hassle and expense of wiring one in.